Do you realize the population of Texas went up significantly only after air conditioning became widespread and available? Right? If it's a little too hot, you make sure that people have air conditioning. What's going on here is for every city, especially those built on the water's edge, there is life experience of the records of that city that tell people what is the range of weather that they can experience in snowfall, in rainfall, and in temperature especially. And the city works to accommodate that range.